y'all, and welcome back. Today we're gonna do, I don't know if it's dessert or if it's breakfast, or if it's dessert after breakfast. Just depends on when you want to eat them and whatever. You let me know in the comments down below after this video what you think this is. Is it dessert or is it breakfast? But we're gonna do French toast roll-ups on the Blackstone. Super simple. I don't think there's gonna be a whole lot to this. This is actually my first time making these, so we're gonna see how they turn out. I don't think it's gonna take a whole lot of the way I'm gonna make mine. You'll see that in just a second. So I'll tell you what, let's go ahead and show you these groceries and fire this thing up, and let's get to cooking. Let's get the old girl fired up here. Let's go. I'm going all 4 burners today, y'all. But I'm gonna go down to, I'm gonna go down to low. I'm gonna go down to low. This is our ingredients for our French toast roll-ups. Of course, you gotta have bread to make French toast, and you gotta have some type of egg wash. So of course, we have eggs. I got some ground cinnamon back here, and I got some milk just for that. Now, we're gonna put some Nutella and some strawberry preserves inside of them roll-ups and dust it with some snickerdoodle. And of course, we got some butter. All right, you seen the groceries? Griddle's heating up. Let's go ahead and get everything ready. Well, the first thing we gotta do is cut this crust off this bread. So just grab you some bread, cut the crust off. You should end up with something like that right there. Get this last piece done up. And there we go. So now we got the crust cut off. We got to roll it out. So I'm gonna stack all these up out the way over here. Get one like this and just roll it out. Kind of like that there. And there you go. They're all flattened out. Got that bread flattened out. Time to put some Nutella on it. Get you a big old knife full and just spread it on there. And just do the rest of them like that. One more to go. Now, all that's in there. You could roll it up like this, add something else to it, like we're gonna do. We're gonna put some strawberry preserves in it. I don't know how much I need. Probably not quite this much. We'll put this one over here. I'm probably fixing to make a mess, y'all. But either way, let's do that. Then what we'll do is we'll go ahead and roll this one up. Like so. Like that. Let's make some more. Put a little less preserves in this one. Let's try that. Yeah, that one there turned out a little bit better. So I think we kind of got it figured out. Put just a little bit of preserve in there, a little bit of Nutella, roll them up. We got one more to go. Get a little bit of strawberry preserves in here. You see, I'm not really gobbling it on there this time. I've kind of learned not to. So overall, I mean, these ain't gourmet by no means, but I think they're looking pretty good so far. While they're rolled up, let's go ahead and get that egg mixture ready. Go ahead and just crack our eggs into the bowl, like so. Now, I don't know if it's gonna take all 5 eggs or not. Have no idea. That's what I'm using though. Let's add some cinnamon to the mix. Go ahead and douse some cinnamon in there. A little bit of milk. Whisk it all together. Just like that there. All right, they're rolled up, egg mixture's ready. I said we go check on the griddle and see if we can start cooking us some French toast roll-ups. Well, I'm seeing now white smoke, so that means it's time to get some groceries on the griddle. Let's throw down a little bit of butter. Ooh, she is hot. I think I'm gonna turn these middle two burners off. Believe it or not, this whole griddle's on low, so if you need to, turn burners off. You don't wanna cook too hot. All right, let's go ahead and dip our stuff in the egg wash and get them on the griddle. Get them good and covered there. Get them on here. Just like so. There you go, they're all on. Oh yeah, these are looking good now. You can see the cinnamon on the outside of them. You see that jelly in them. You know that jelly's in there? Oh, these gonna be right. Ah, these things ain't gonna take long at all. Let's go ahead and give them a roll around. Oh, they're looking good though. Look at that golden brown them things are turning. Man, I cannot wait to try these out. So from here, just keep rolling them around till all the sides are done a good golden brown and we'll take them up. If you have to, kind of prop them up on each other where they'll cook all the way around like you want them. However you have to do it. So however you got to get them on there to kind of prop up against each other, whatever you got to do to kind of make them cook on all sides, because once you put them on there, they kind of flattened out a little bit. Don't know if that's normal. Like I said, it's my very first time doing this, but we're gonna make it work. Well, I think these are done. Let's take them up. Ooh, they smell so good. Man, these are smelling good. So grab my cutting board here, put that down, kill all my heat. Now I'm gonna lay these out in the plate, kind of like this, because I'm gonna hit them with some snickerdoodle. So I figure just a good light dust and a snickerdoodle on them, like this. Can't hurt none, that's for sure. Now you can stack them up, make them look pretty, leave them single, I don't care. Kind of like that there. They're looking good. I get some thumbnail pics and I gotta try this out. Well, I don't know about y'all, but I think these turned out to be pretty good looking. Man, I really do hope they taste as good as they smell. I say we try one out, y'all. Let's go try one. That simple. It's more prep than it was cooking. But I do believe these things are gonna turn out good. The good things about these is, like I said earlier, make them your own. Put in them what you want. I just figured that Nutella with that strawberry preserves and covered in snickerdoodle, to me that just sounds like it's gonna taste amazing. So I tell you what, let's try one. I don't want to brag on myself, but I was right. This is delicious. Now, my original question, is this breakfast or is this dessert? Or can it be both? That's a good question. Because I'm gonna tell you, you made these up, they're gonna get gone quick. That is good. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Super simple, very easy. Let me know down below. I'm a poet, look at that, poet didn't know. Let me know down below what you'd put in yours, how you do something different. I would love to know. Would you put maybe cream cheese icing on top or something? I don't know. There's a million ways you can do these. I'd like to know your take on it. Also, if you're still here, I appreciate all of the subscribing and the thumbs up and everything. And if you feel like supporting the channel even more, there's a join button down below. No obligation. I love you either way, but it's just another way you can really help this channel out and help us grow. So with that being said, hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.